ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In Upadesha Sahasri Samyangmati Prakaranam, in this we have completed 31 shlokas, correct?
Yes, Swami.
The teaching primarily emphasizes this, that I am not Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, Pramata, but I am Turiya, Chaitanya. The one who is in these three avasthas is under the grip of Maya. And that Maya is the Vyamoha Hetu. Maya is the Hetu, Karanam for Moha. So, three avasthas and their experiences, they don't belong to me. This understanding, repeatedly, I have to remind myself, I am Turiya. And that Turiya Chaitanya is untouched by what happens in the life of Vishwa, in the life of Taijasa, in the life of Prajna. Tasmat, in the introduction to 32, Tasmat, Sakshat Brahmatma Jnanat Amayavi Maya Tatkarya Sambandha Vinirmukto Bhavati iti ayam artha Shruti Siddha Shraddheyo Mumukshuna Ityaha. Tasmat, therefore, Sakshat Brahmatma Jnanat, through Sakshat Brahmatma Jnanam, means Aparoksha Brahmatma Jnanam, Amayavi. Amayavi word was used in the previous shloka. Baddhakshasyeva samaya amayavi eva tato bhavet. So you have to see that one, amayavi. Tasmat साक्षात ब्रह्मात्म ज्ञानाद अमायावी तत्कार्य संबंध विनिर्मुक्त. माया तत्कार्य संबंध विनिर्मुक्त. He is free from Maya and Maya Karya. How? Through Sakshat Brahmatma Jnanam. Sakshat Brahmatma Jnanad Vinirmukto Bhavati. This is the Mukhya Vakya. Iti ayam arthaha Shruti Siddhaha. This is Shruti Siddhaha. Shraddheyo mumukshuna ityaha. This has to be Shraddheyaha. Shraddheyaha means a mumukshu should have Shraddha in this. Shraddheyaha Shabda. I'll let you know how. It is Shruti Siddhaha. Shruti Siddhaha because in Shruti is said Shraddhatsva Somya. Shraddhatsva. So one should have this Shraddha. Sakshadeva Savigneyaha. Sakshadatmeti cha Shrutehe. Vidyate Hridaya Granthir. न चेदित्यादितः श्रुतेः साक्षाद्देवः स विज्ञेयः साक्षादात्मेति च श्रुतेः भिद्यते हृदयग्रन्थिर्न चेदित्यादितः श्रुतेः साक्षात् देवः सः विज्ञेयः सः Amayavi. That Amayavi, which is not within Maya, Chaturtham, Turiyam, is Sakshat Devaha, Vigneyaha. This is what one should understand. Sakshad Atma iti cha Shrutehe. There is a Shruti, Sakshad Atma. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi. This is also a Shruti. Nachet Ityaditaha Shrutehe. Nachet Tihavedin Mahati Vinashti. This is another Shruti. So Mumukshu should know Brahmatma Aikya, and in that he should have Shraddha. And for that, some Shruti Uddharanams are given. Sakshat Devaha. First one is Sakshat Devaha. Sakshat Devaha. So, he Sakshat. Sakshat means there is no Vyavadhanam. Between me and Brahma, there is nothing in between. This is called Sakshat. Sakshatkaram in this. If there is no Vyavadhanam, means I am Brahma. Devaha. Devaha. There is a quotation from Shvetashvatar Upanishad. Eko Devaha Sarvabhuteshu Gudaha Sarvasakshi Sarvabhutantaratma.
Sarvavyapi.
Sarvavyapi Sarvabhutantaratma. So that Ekaha Devaha, that Devaha is given here. Deva here, it does not mean any Devata. Dyotanat Devaha, Divu. Divu Dhatu has so many meanings. One of them is for Prakashana. Dyotana. Chaitanya. Sakshad Atmeti cha Shrutehe, because there is a Shruti in Brahadaranyaka 341 and 351. Ushasta and Kahol Brahmana, both. Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, Ya Atma Sarvanubhu. In this way the quotation is. Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, Ya Atma Sarvanubhu. So that's why Sakshad Atma. Two words are given. Sakshad Aparokshat Brahma, Sakshad is taken. Ya Atma Sarvanubhuhu, Atma is taken. Iti cha Shrutehe. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi. This is Prasiddha Shruti Mundaka. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi means Tasmin Paravare Drishte. When, what is the mantra? Complete mantra. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi.
सिद्ध्यन्ते सर्व
संशयाः क्षीयन्ते चान्तिकर्माणि
कर्माणि तस्मिन् दृष्टे परावरे
तस्मिन् दृष्टे परावरे. So तस्मिन् परावरे दृष्टे सति किं भवति? हृदय ग्रंथि ही भिद्यते, सर्व संशयाः छिद्यन्ते, अस्य कर्माणि क्षीयन्ते. In this way. So this will happen. One should not have doubt whether Brahma Jnanam will do anything or not. Paravare drashte. So when I understand that para and avara, higher and lower, both are me. Then Maya Tatkarya Sambandha Vinirmuktaha. So you see what is given there, Maya Tatkarya Sambandha Vinirmukto Bhavati means I understand I never had any Sambandha with Maya, any Sambandha with Maya Karyam. It is not that at that time he becomes free. It is the knowledge that I was ever free. Nached ityaditah shrutehe. Iha ched vedin mahati, iha ched vedin atha satyamasti. Nached iha vedin mahati vinashti. So this is nached. If a person does not know this truth here, then there is a great problem. Mahati vinashti. In other words, the knowledge of Brahmatma Aikya here is very important. And we should keep striving for it. There will be two types of obstacles. One, internal obstacles, our own vasanas, our own ragadveshas, or some pramada that I don't want to study, I don't want this, I want to rest, etc., etc. And the other is Bahya Vignaha. No matter how serious you are, sincere you are, external things will also decide whether you live in ashram or outside. So circumstances everyone has to face. So na chediha vedid. If one doesn't know, mahati vinashti. Ityaditaha shrutehe. Through all these shrutis. Tika. Sa sarva vikara sakshi kutastha atma sakshat devo Vijnanam Anandam Brahma ityadi ukta lakshano vigneya. Saha sarva vikara sakshi atma. One should know this atma as sarva vikara sakshi. Sarva vikarana sakshi. Where are the vikaras? Vikaras are in the three pramatas and three prapancha. So saha sarva vikara sakshi kutastha atma. Sakshat Devaha, he is Sakshat Deva. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma ityadi ukta lakshano vigneyaha. And he is of this lakshana. That Deva is Brahma, who is Vijnanam Anandam. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma. So here it should not be taken as Vijnanam asya asti iti Vijnanam. Means Vijnata, not that way. The one who has Vijnanam, how Nayayikas take? The one who has Jnanam, that Atma. Atma is Dravya. Vijnanam is Guna. Not like that. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma. इत्यादि उक्त लक्षणों विज्ञेयः. विज्ञेयः स आत्मा स विज्ञेयः. So many quotations are given in one only. If you take words Devaha Sakshat, so this is Deva is Shvetashvatara, Savigneyaha is Mandukya, Sakshat Brahadaranyaka, Atma another Brahadaranyaka, Vidyate Mundaka, Nachet Kena. So you have Samaveda, you have Atharvana Veda, you have Shukla Yajurveda, you have Krishna Yajurveda. Everything is there. Tika further, yat sakshad aparokshad brahma ya atma sarvantaraha iti brahmatmaikatva shruter ityarthaha. The Shruti says sakshad aparokshad brahma and ya atma sarvantaraha, the one which is sakshad aparoksha and sarvantara. So Brahma and Atma, Aikya is given. Sakshad aparokshad Brahma, ya Atma sarvantara. Brahmatma Aikya is given. The Brahmatmaikatva shruter ityarthaha. Sakshad aparokshad. Aparokshad means aparoksha. Prathama you have to take. It is not Panchami. And that which is aparoksha is generally understood as Atma. But here it is given that which is aparoksha is Brahma. And that which is in everybody, in everything, so that which is Sarvantara is understood as Brahma. Shruti says this is Atma. Yeah, Atma Sarvantara. In this way, Brahmatma Ikya Vichara is emphasized. Evam Vijnane Labham Avijnane Hanim Cha Shrutya Darshayati. Vijnane Labham Avijnane Hani. Vijnane Labham Mundaka Shruti. Avijnane Hani Kena Shruti. So Vidyate iti. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi. Chidyante Sarva Samshaya. Hridaya Granthi means Kartrutva Bhoktritva. I am the Karta, I am the Bhokta. This is the Granthi. The combination of Atma and Anatma coming together. I am this Anatma, this Sambandha of Chaitanya Atma with Anatma is Granthi. That Granthi Bhedanam will give all results. Nached iha avedin. Avedit. If here one does not get it, then Mahati Vinashtihi. Then there is Mahan Vinasha. Aditaha. And Aditaha is given Ityadi Taha. Aditaha Ityadi Shabdat. एकधा एव अनुद्रष्टव्यम मृत्यो समृत्युमाप्नोति यह नानेव पश्यति इत्यादि श्रुतयो गृह्यन्ते. Other shrutis like ekadha eva anudrashtavyam. This Atma should be seen only as one. Ekadha. Sankhya vidharthe dha. That is a sutra. Ekadha means not dvidha, tridha, anekadha. Even though we saw in the earlier shlokas, pratibimba can be many. But Atma is one. In this way one should see. Ekadha eva anudrashtavyam. And if I don't see in this way and I see nana, mrityo samrityum apnoti iha naneva pashyati. Then that person goes from mrityu to mrityu, means remains in janma marana, samsara chakra. The one who sees nana, many. Eva, nana eva pashyati. Means nana is not there, but even if somebody sees, then they will have this samsaranam. साक्षाद आत्मविज्ञान मुक्तम आक्षिपति. साक्षाद आत्मविज्ञानम उक्तम आक्षिपति. साक्षाद आत्मविज्ञानम was said in the shloka साक्षाद आत्मा साक्षात देवः. This is Purva Paksha shloka. Akshepa is there. What is the akshepa? Or a shishya, it could be a shishya who says, how will I will have sakshat jnanam of Atma? Atma is not Indriya Vishaya. Atma is also not Vani Vishaya or Buddhi Vishaya. Avang Manasagochara it is. So how I will have sakshat Atma Vijnanam? This is his doubt. Ashabdaditvato nasya grahanam chendriyair bhavet sukhadibhyastathanyatvat बुद्ध्या वापि कथं भवेत्. अशब्दादित्वतो नास्य ग्रहणं चेन्द्रियैर्भवेत् सुखादिभ्यस्तथान्यत्वात् बुद्ध्या वापि कथं भवेत्. अशब्दादित्वतो न अस्य ग्रहणं इंद्रियैः भवेत्. अशब्दादित्वतः इस पंचमी हेतुअर्थ है. सुखादिभ्यस तथा अन्यत्वात् बुद्ध्यावापि कथम भवेत्. कथम भवेत् किम?
साक्षात् आत्मविज्ञानम्.
Or if you want to make it easy, grahanam. Purvardha says asya grahanam na bhavet. Uttarardha katham grahanam bhavet. अशब्दादित्वतः अस्य ग्रहणम इंद्रियैः न भवेत्. सुखादिभ्यस्तथा अन्यत्वात् तथा सुखादिभ्यः अन्यत्वात् बुद्ध्यावापि कथम ग्रहणम भवेत्. It is different from sukhadi also. Ashabdaditvatah. Student says, this Atma I have heard in Kathopanishad. Ashabdam asparsham arupam avyayam tatharasam nityam agandhavachayat. Anadyanandam mahatah param dhruvam nichayatan mrityumukhat pramuchyate. 1:3:15 I think in Katha. So it doesn't have Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha. How its Grahanam will happen? Through Indriyas. For Indriya Jnanam, Shabda Sparsha Rupa, some of these attributes should be there. So Asya Grahanam Indriyair na bhavet. Tadha Sukhadibhyaha Anyatvat, and also it is different from Sukhadi. Sukhadi are not known by Buddhi. Because if somebody reads like this, Sukhadibhyaha Anyatvat, Buddhya Katham Grahanam Bhavet. So that doesn't mean Sukhadi Grahanam happens through Buddhi. Sukhadi Grahanam happens through Sakshi Chaitanya. They are Sakshi Bhasya. It's not in Pramata. But Sukhadibhyaha, they are Antakarana Vrittis. If it is Antakarana Vritti, it becomes known. But Sukhadibhyaha Anyatvat, it is not Antakarana Vritti either. Therefore, how its Grahanam can happen through Sakshi also, like it is not another Antakarana Vritti. So its Grahanam cannot happen as a Vishaya. Okay, so you can take it this way. Sukhadibhyaha Anyatvat. Sukhadi Grahanam happens through Sakshi. But this Atma is Sukhadibhyaha Anyaha. And Buddhyava api katham bhavet. So, Antakarana, how it will know if it does not become a Vishaya? Main point I want to emphasize is Sukhadi are not known through Buddhi. Sukhadi are known through Sakshi. But in Vedanta Paribhasha, if you remember, there are two pakshas. One paksha said Antakarana is, anybody remembers this? Antakarana is Savayava. Because you say one Avayava goes out, another Avayava remains in. Avayava that goes out is Prama, Avayava that stays in is Pramata. So if Antakarana is Savayava, then one part of the Antakarana will become Drishya and another part will become Drishta. So Sukhadi Vritti can become Antakarana Vritti and Pramata will know this is one Samadhana. Anybody remembers this we discussed in Vedanta Paribhasha?
Yes, Swami.
And the other was that no, we will not consider Antakaranam as Savayava in the sense that if it is Drishya, it will not become Drashta. If it is Drashta, it is not Drishya. So, if Antakarana has Sukhadi Vritti and they are Drishya, then Drashta will be Sakshi. This is how in Drig Drishya Vivek, Drishyadhi Vrittayaha Sakshi Drigeva. In this way, there it is explained. Tika. बाह्यांतःकरण अग्राह्यत्वाद आत्मनः कथम साक्षात् विज्ञानम स्यादित्यर्थः. बाह्य अंतःकरण अग्राह्यत्वात्. बाह्यकरण अंतःकरण च बाह्यकरणैः अंतःकरणैश्च अग्राह्यत्वात्. neither through indriya nor through antakarana. Atma is agrahya. Agrahyatvat katham atmanah sakshat vijnanam syat ityarthah. Pariharati. Siddhanti says now. Adrishyopi yatha rahush chandre bimbam yathambhasi sarvagopi tathaivatma buddhaveva sagrihyate. अदृश्योऽपि यथा राहुः चंद्रे बिंबं यथांभसि सर्वगोपि तथैवात्मा बुद्धावेव स गृह्यते. यथा राहुः अदृश्योऽपि गृह्यते चंद्रे. यथा बिंबम अंभसी गृह्यते तथैव सर्वगोपि आत्मा बुद्धावेव स गृह्यते. So two drishtantas are given. यथा राहुः अदृश्योपि चंद्रे गृह्यते. राहु ग्रह is adrishya. Nobody can say this is Rahu. But because it is called as a Chaya Graha. But in Chandrama, during Chandra Grahanam, when Chandra Grahanam is there, then at that time you see that shadow as if moving away. So Rahu is seen. Similarly, that Bimba, Surya, Arka, etc., or Chandra, it is seen in the water, even though it is somewhere else in the sky. Like that, Atma, which is all-pervading and one, infinite. Sarvagaha, Anantaha, Ekaha, Atma. Aparichinnah Atma, Buddhau eva sagrihyate. Sarvam gacchati iti sarvagaha. So, how it is available? Bhashyakar gives example that this is possible. Buddhau eva, that is also emphasized, means not anywhere else. I will know I am Brahma, and that Brahma is available in Buddhi. Means the real I is available in Buddhi. Or if you want to call, Sakshi is available in Buddhi. Amayavi is available in Buddhi. And it expresses as Aham, Aham. Aham, Aham iti Sakshat. Atma Rupena Buddhaya. Buddhaveva sagrihyate. So two drishtantas are given. The other drishtanta is in the form of in Kathopanishad, how it is given. Asino duram vrajati. Prayano yati sarvataha. Kastam madamadam devam madanyo jnatumarhati. In that, Bhashyakar gives the example that if there is general prakasha somewhere, is samanya jnanam. Samanyatah, Atma is everywhere. Like prakasha, sunlight. But Visheshataha, it comes in a reflection. In mirror, let us say. Then that mirror has the ability to reflect that sun elsewhere. So, indirectly one can say, I have captured that sun in the mirror. Really, it is not possible to capture the sun in mirror. But now you have something in that mirror which is expression of that sun in the sky. And it can fall in the room and illumine the room. So, that mirror is prakasha abhivyanjaka. It is abhivyanjaka of that prakasha. It has the ability to illumine prakasha. Abhivyanjaka it is. And what gets manifest is the sun, which otherwise cannot come inside the room. But in this way it comes. So what has happened is, sun has brought the illumination, and the mirror brings the reflection. Like that here, only mirror cannot do anything. Like that, only buddhi cannot do anything. But in buddhi, Atma is available. Atma is Chaitanya, Satta. Buddhi is Jada. So buddhi's contribution is to make Atma manifest. It is Upalabdhi Dwaram. Buddhavevavabhaseta swacheshu pratibimbavat. Sitika. यथा स्वरूपेण अदृश्योपि राहुश्चंद्रे चंद्रमंडले उपरक्तो दृश्यते यथा वा अंभसि जले चंद्रादेर बिंबम दृश्यते तथैव. up to this is drishtanta. Let's see first that two drishtanta. यथा स्वरूपेण अदृश्योपि राहु which is स्वरूपेण अदृश्यः चंद्रे चंद्रमंडले उपरक्तो दृश्यते. In चंद्रमंडल it is uparakta. Uparakta means associated, tainted with Chandra. Means it is not Eva, but Yathava ambasi jale Chandrader bimbam drishyate. Athva in the water Chandra bimba or Surya bimba drishyate. Bimbam drishyate. Tathaiva चक्षुरादि अगोचरोपि स परमात्मा सर्वगोपि सर्वत्र वर्तमानोपि तत्त्वमस्यादि महावाक्योत्थ बुद्धावेव प्रतिबिंबितः सन् गृह्यते. सर्वत्र वर्तमान चक्षुरादि अगोचरोपि स परमात्मा. परमात्मा which is चक्षुरादि अगोचरः सर्वगः अपि, even though it is all pervading, सर्वत्र वर्तमानो अपि तत्त्वमस्यादि महावाक्योत्थ बुद्धावेव प्रतिबिंबितः सन् गृह्यते. With the help of तत्त्वमस्यादि महावाक्य, महावाक्योत्थ बुद्धौ, not in buddhi just like that, in that mahavakya buddhi means Atma is present in all buddhi vrittis as Chidabhasa. But those buddhi vrittis, they are meant for Vishaya Prakashanam. Aham patam pashyami, aham ghatam pashyami. So such vritti when they are there, ghatakar, patakar vritti, in that when Sakshi is expressing, illumining, then there the objective of Sakshi is to do prakashanam of those vishayas, ghata, pata, ityadi. Only when there is brahmakar vritti arising from tattvamasyaadi mahavakya, in that when Sakshi expresses, then the jnanam will be aham brahmasmi. Not aham ghatam pashyami, patam pashyami, ityadi. सो महावाक्योत्थ बुद्धावेव प्रतिबिंबितः सन् गृह्यते तत्र प्रतिबिंबिततया स्वतः स्फुरणम एव ग्रहणम न विषयी भाव एज प्रतिबिंब स्वतः स्फुरणम एव ग्रहणम व्हाट इज ग्रहणम in pratibimba it expresses as swatah self luminous. This itself is grahanam, not it becoming vishaya vishayi bhava na ityarthah. शास्त्रैक गम्यस्यापि प्रत्यक्षत्वे राहु दृष्टान्तः and that it is known only through shastra. For that Rahu Drishtanta is given. Because Rahu is known only through Shastra. Pratyaksha, Anumana, Ityadi Pramana, they don't have reached there. So Shastraikagamyasyapi Raho Pratyakshatve Drishtanta. Rahu Pratyakshatve Drishtanta. Rahu Drishtanta means Raho Drishtanta. Sarva Samhitataya. Samhita. How this Samhita Shabda will be formed?
Han dhatu.
Then what will happen?
Nishtha pratyaya.
Han dhatu nishtha pratyaya. What will come? No, it's not han dhatu. Hita, sam upasarga purvak hita, dudhaye, dharana poshana yo dhatu. Dha dhatu, dudhaye, dha. So it will become hita in nishtha pratyaya. Not han. Han dhatu will become samhata. It will not make samhita. Sarva samhitataya. भासमानस्य सर्वत्र यथावद अस्फुरतो अपि उपाधि विशेषे यथावत स्फुरणे प्रतिबिंब दृष्टान्त इति विवेकः. सर्वसंहिततया, सर्वसंहित, it is kept, it is well placed in all. भासमानस्य सर्वत्र, it is there everywhere. यथावद अस्फुरतो अपि, as it is like that, it is not expressing everywhere. Like in Jada Padartha, Brahma is there, but doesn't express in the same way. In Kita Patanga, it doesn't express in full measure. In trees, etc., Vrikshadi, Brahma doesn't express as much. In Manushya's, greater. Devatas, or in greater Upadhi, it expresses, manifests in greater ways. So, Sarvatra Yathavad Aspurato api, Upadhi Visheshe Yathavad Spurane Pratibimba Drashtanta iti Viveka. In Upadhi Vishesha, Yathavad Spuranam is there. In that, Pratibimba Drashtanta is given. This is the Viveka. Yathavat Spurane means as is. So its Mahima is expressing there. And Upadhi Vishesha only. So as I said, in Devata Sukshma Sharira, where Vairagya is greater, wherever Vairagya is greater, Pratibimba will become clear. Jnanam is there, more clear. Iti Viveka. Another common example you can take is the hand. hand and light. Like mirror and sunlight, hand and light also you can take it as example. The hand is seen in light. Light is seen when hand is there. So the hand becomes manifest when light is. Light becomes manifest when some Vishaya is hand is. So like that, Buddhi is known because of Chaitanya. And Chaitanya becomes manifest because of Buddhi. This is how in Panchapadika these two phrases are there. Bodhedha vrittihi. Vrittidha bodha. In Advaita Siddhi also this is given. Bodhedha vrittihi. Bodhena Chaitanyena idha. Indhu diptau dhatu. Bodhedha vrittihi. So antakarana vritti and antakarana through Chaitanya they are idha. Bodhedha vritti. Vrittidha bodha. Bodha means Chaitanya. Chaitanya is having this buddhi vritti as the fuel to express. Like Agni is everywhere, but you need some medium for it to express. So in this way they mutually help each other. Further in Tika, Buddhau, Bodhatma, not Bodhatma. Bodhatma is easy. Buddhau, Bodhatma grihyate. Chet, Buddhi dharmo bodha iti shankam drishtantena pratyachaste. Buddhau bodhatma grihyate. In Buddhi, Bodhatma is experienced. Grihyate chet, Buddhi dharmo bodha. Buddhi dharma is Jnanam. In Buddhi, if Bodha Rupa Atma, Bodhatma means Bodha Swarupa Atma, Jnana Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa Atma Grihyate Chet, Buddhi Dharmo Bodha iti Shankam Drishtantena Pratyachaste. So somebody may think Chaitanya is the dharma of Buddhi. Why Chaitanya has to be dharma of Atma? Buddhi itself can have Chaitanya. This is the Shanka. Drishtantena Pratyachaste. भानोर्बिंबं यथा चौष्ण्यं जले दृष्टन्न चाम्भसः बुद्धौ बोधो न तद्धर्मस् तथैव स्याद् विधर्मतः भानोर्बिंबं यथा चौष्ण्यं जले दृष्टन्न चाम्भसः बुद्धौ बोधो न तद्धर्मस् तथैव स्याद् विधर्मतः भानोर्बिंबम यथा च औष्ण्यम औष्ण्यम जले यथा भानोः बिंबम जले यथा च औष्ण्यम जले दृष्टम both are seen. The reflection of sun in water and heat in water. Drashtam. Na cha ambasah, but they don't belong to water. Neither sun belongs to water nor heat belongs to water. They are only borrowed or temporarily manifesting. In the same way, buddhau bodho na tad dharmas. Tathaiva sya. Tathaiva buddhau in buddhi bodho ज्ञानम न तद्धर्मः स्यात् विधर्मतः विधर्मतः स्यात्. It is vidharma means it is dharma of something else. It is dharma of Atma expressing in Buddhi. Buddhi has the ability to do everything, to know, only because of Atma. सीटिका यथा जले दृष्टम बिंबम औष्ण्यम च. यथा जले दृष्टम बिंबम, just as in jala bimba is seen, or औष्ण्यम च भानोः एव, and औष्ण्यम also. Bhanoho aushnyam, if you keep water out there in sunlight for some time, it will become hot. How hot, if you want to know, in summer, in the afternoon, you open your tap and see what is the water, how hot it comes. Some people don't know. It is hotter than 2-3 geysers put together heating the water. Just by the exposure of sun which is so far. Bhanoho eva na cha ambasah jalasya dharmaha. It is not jalasya dharmaha, not of the water. Ambas Pratipadika. Tasya shaitya swabhavyat. Tasya jalasya shaitya swabhavyat. Jalasya swabhav is shaitya only. Tathaiva buddhau spuran bodho na buddhi dharmaha syat. Bodho, this jnanam, buddhau spuran, which is expressing in buddhi, it is not buddhi dharma. It is chaitanya dharma. Kutaha vidharmataha, viparita dharmataha. It is there somewhere, it is expressing somewhere else. Buddhi dharma is viparita. What is it? Buddhehe jadya dharmatva nishchayad ityartha. Because buddhi is jada. It is avidya karya. Avidya karyatvad avidyaka jada. So, buddhi, even though is jada, can express Atma, does express Atma. In this way, you can know Atma. In Antakarana Vritti and in Brahmakara Vritti, you will know this is who you are. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.